Hey, what's going on guys? Tim here again. In today's tutorial, doing something short and sweet. This is how to tie the cat's paw knot and the double cat's paw knot. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Got my piece of paracord. I'm using a shackle thing. You can attach it to a key ring, whatever you want. So the way you're gonna start is double up your paracord and just put it through. You have that opening there, and it's like you make a cow's hitch. Like so. So for the single cat's paw, from here, all you're gonna do is twist the buckle through the opening towards you, like so. And then you're going to cinch that knot up. Okay, and get both sides nice and even. Okay, and there we go. So there's the single cat's paw. Now let's do the double. Now for the double cat's paw knot, you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna bend it through, open her up, and make that cow's hitch. This time I'm gonna give myself a little more space because we're gonna twist it twice, hence making it the double. So go once through, like so. And then go a second time. Remember, bring it towards you. So no, it's a little messy now, but just kind of work out all the kinks and cinch that knot all the way to the top. Okay, get that knot nice and firmed up. And there we go. There is the double cat's paw knot. And there it is on the other side. So, yeah, short and sweet on this one, but really nice, simple little knot to attach your paracord to your key rings, your shackles and whatnot. And then, of course, you can double this over something else and, you know, you can start tying snake knots from here. You can tie cobra knots, whatever you want. But yeah, just a quick and easy demonstration on the cat's paw knot and the double cat's paw. Alright, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. And remember, if you're looking for where to get paracord and all that good stuff, check out my affiliate links down below. And as always, a huge thank you to my Patreon supporters for making these videos possible. If you want access to exclusive tutorials and the monthly giveaways, feel free to check out my Patreon page as well. Alright, that's it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.